Number 1. The 1974 Dodge Dart, priced at $6,100 and located in Boise, Idaho, originally equipped with an inline-six engine, has undergone many modifications. It now features a rebuilt 318 engine with 360-cylinder heads, a performance cam, a dual-plane intake, and a 3-speed manual transmission with a McLeod clutch. A 4-speed transmission with a Hurst shifter is also included in the sale. The cooling system has been upgraded with an aluminum radiator, a new ignition system with a new distributor, and Cooper Cobra tires. The car runs on an 8.8 rear end with 3.55 gears and a custom driveline. Inside, the floors have been re-welded, Dynamat insulation has been installed, along with a new carpet and a new dash mat. Despite the extensive work done, there is still some rust on the rear fenders and lower door panels. The car runs and drives, though the owner mentions that it would be much more enjoyable once the 4-speed transmission is installed. Overall, this project is nearly complete and could be a great classic muscle car when finished properly. Number 2. The 1975 Chrysler Cordoba, priced at $10,000 and located in Vallejo, California, has undergone several significant upgrades. The original engine has been replaced with a 360 Magnum from a 2000 Dodge 1500, and the transmission has been fully rebuilt at a cost of $1,000, receipt available. The car runs extremely smoothly with no issues in the engine, transmission, or drivetrain. The interior remains original with Corinthian leather upholstery, which is tear-free, while the headliner and carpet are in excellent condition. For audio, there are two 15-inch subwoofers in the trunk producing outstanding sound. The braking system is entirely new, including the carburetor manifold, power steering pump, harmonic balancer, spark plugs, plug wires, distributor cap, master cylinder, and wiring harness. The exterior is rust-free, and the paint is in good condition. However, some components need attention, such as the fuel gauge, windshield wipers, and AC system. The suspension has been upgraded with newer shocks. The car currently sits on 22-inch gold wire wheels with new Vogue tires, but it can be sold without the wheels for a lower price. It has a clean title and is ready to drive. Number 3. The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454, priced at $125,000 and located in Guadalupe, Bihar, has been repainted, but the clear coat is peeling, and there are some bubbles in the body. The original 327 V8 engine is missing and has been replaced with a 305 engine that has been lightly modified with headers and roller rockers. It still retains its M21 4-speed manual transmission and 12-volt rear differential. Mechanically, the car starts and runs but requires work to be safely driven, including brake work, fuel system flushing, and gas tank maintenance. The interior retains its original trim, seats, and glass. The front floor panels need repair due to some rust holes, and the rear passenger side quarter panel also needs attention. There is a dent on the driver's side, which might be reparable without welding. The car sits on Kriega 15x 3.5 wheels up front with new tires and Kriega 15-inch 7 wheels in the rear with older drag radials. It comes with a clean Texas title. Number 4. The 1960 Buick LeSabre Limited, priced at $9,800 and located in Gone, New York, is in decent condition for its age and has undergone numerous repairs and updates to keep it roadworthy. It has 92,000 original miles and just passed New York State inspection. Under the hood, it features a 401 nail-head engine that has been rebuilt with less than 10,000 miles since the rebuild. It has an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor for improved performance. The transmission and many mechanical components have been updated, including the brake lines, master cylinder, springs, shock absorbers, fuel lines, and dual exhaust. The interior has a new headliner, a Bluetooth radio with a retractable antenna, and a working Herman Miller-designed clock. The frame is solid, though there are some rust spots, including a rust hole on the front of the hood. However, a rust-free replacement hood and new rocker panels are included with the sale. All glass is intact, and the chrome trim remains in great condition with no corrosion. This car can be driven as is or serve as a light restoration project to fine-tune its appearance. With its iconic design and striking blue color, it draws a lot of attention at car shows. Number 5. The 1978 Dodge Magnum, priced at $6,600 and located in Uy, Florida, is a rare variant of the Dodge Magnum, powered by a strong 360 Ci engine paired with a 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission. Several modifications have been made, including a Holley carburetor, Mopar aluminum intake, headers, an MSD ignition system, and air shocks. The car runs and drives well with Cooper Cobra tires and mag wheels, enhancing its sporty look. Although it was originally an AC-equipped car, the AC system is currently missing. There are some electrical issues, such as power windows that stopped working while attempting to fix the dome light. All weather seals need replacement, and the front seats require reupholstering. The paint is not perfect, but the red color still looks great. The trunk is clean with new carpeting. The cellar is open to trades for hot rods, other classic cars, or Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Number 6. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle 454, priced at $24,150 and located in Maricopa County, has been garage kept for 20 years. Overall, the body is fairly clean and straight, but there are some rust spots in the trunk floor and front floor panels. The installed engine is believed to be a Buick V6, not the original engine, and it is paired with an automatic transmission. The car starts and runs, but the carburetor needs restoration to function properly. The paint and interior are not original, as the front seats have been replaced and the headliner is damaged. From the pictures, the exterior has a classic hot rod look with matte black paint, giving it an aggressive appearance. Although some areas need cosmetic work, since it has been sitting for a long time, the car requires mechanical repairs to be roadworthy, including fuel system maintenance, brake work, and possible electrical repairs. Number 7. The 1971 Mercury Marquis, priced at $88,500 and located in Gooding, Idaho, is a full-size classic car with long body lines and a signature 1970s design. The car is in very good condition, with a metallic green repaint done a few years ago that still looks great aside from minor signs of wear. It is powered by a 429 V8 4-barrel engine known for its power and smooth ride. The car is rust-free and is described as a turnkey driver, meaning it's ready to drive with no major repairs needed. The interior remains original, featuring green patterned leather seats. The dashboard and door trims are in great condition, though the door panels show minor wear. The AC is non-functional, but all power features still work, reflecting the luxury of its era. Under the hood, the engine bay is complete and original, only requiring minor tidying up. All glass is intact, and the car has a clean title. With its unique presence and large size, this 1971 Mercury Marquis Coupe is an attractive option for classic car collectors or full-size coupe enthusiasts. Number 8. The 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $110,000 and located in Easley, South Carolina, is equipped with an SBC 350 engine and a TH 350 automatic transmission. It is a project car that is partially completed and requires installation of the front brakes, including rotors, calipers, booster, master cylinder, and new brake pads. All parts are included. Recently, it has received a new MSD ignition system, a 750 ATM M carburetor, a Summit electric fuel pump, and braided fuel lines. It also features ceramic-coated headers, an aluminum radiator, and black bucket seats that have been installed neatly. The interior is in decent condition with an aftermarket automatic transmission shifter. The trunk houses a racing fuel cell and a neatly mounted battery. The car comes with a mini spool not yet installed, which, along with the brake installation, is required for optimal drivability. This car is a good candidate for restoration or further modification. The owner is also open to trades for a big block Chevy BBC engine. Number 9. The 1966 Mercury Montclair, priced at $4,000 and located in St. Louis, Missouri, is a pillarless classic that remains solid for its 59-year-old age. It is powered by a 390H code engine paired with a Cruisomatic green dot transmission. It comes with power steering, power brakes, and AC. The engine appears original, though it shows surface rust and dust, which is expected for a car of this age. The body is in decent shape with minor rust on the rear quarter panel doglegs, but the frame and floor are solid with no significant rot. The interior is fairly well preserved, with the front seats covered with aftermarket seat covers while the rear seats remain original in blue. The trunk is solid, though it has some surface rust areas that should be addressed. Overall, this is a survivor car that is still drivable, though, like any classic, it requires some attention to be used as a daily driver. The seller notes that this is not a show car, but a classic that has stood the test of time in mostly original condition. Number 10. The 1967 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $10,000 and located in Dripping Springs, Texas, is a rare numbers-matching 396 big block car with factory AC. Overall, the car is a solid restoration project with natural patina that adds character. The engine is not fully operational yet, but basic maintenance has been performed, including a new oil pan gasket, oil filter change, new spark plugs, wires, distributor ignition coil, and fuel filter. The body is relatively straight, but there are a few minor dents, particularly on the front left fender. Rust is the main concern, especially in the front floor and trunk, which need replacement. The lower rear fenders also require repairs. However, the frame is in good condition. The interior is worn out and needs a full restoration, including reupholstered seats and floor repairs. The dashboard and gauges are intact but need attention. The chrome is in decent condition, which is a plus for restoration. Overall, this is a great project base, especially for Capri Impala enthusiasts looking for a big block classic, which is becoming harder to find. Number 11. The 1971 AMC Javelin, priced at $8,900 and located in Barling, Arkansas, is a custom topless Javelin with no roof at all, only a custom boot cover to protect the interior. It is powered by an AMC 304 V8 engine, known for its durability in 1970s muscle cars. The car is fitted with aftermarket chrome wheels, giving it a modern aggressive stance. The rear end features a large spoiler and custom taillights, enhancing its show car appeal. This car has been with the same owner for 35 years and even led a 2,500 car parade during the 1990 hot August nights in Nevada, carrying the state's governor. With its rich show history and unique modifications, this Javelin is truly one of a kind in the classic muscle car world. Number 12. The 1967 Ford Galaxie 500, priced at $8,900 and located in Burlington, Kansas, is very clean and rust-free, powered by a 390 V8 engine that has been bored .030 over, balanced, and fitted with a reground 1010 crankshaft. It has excellent oil pressure, making it a strong and reliable engine. The factory AC is still present, but it needs a recharge. A full restoration was completed about 15 years ago, but since then, the car has been stored in a warehouse under a cover. Several new parts have been installed, including a new 2-barrel carburetor, new oil pump, new transmission lines, rebuilt cylinder heads, rebuilt main power steering pump, rebuilt C6 automatic transmission, rebuilt master cylinder, new radiator, new spark plugs, new proportioning valve, new water pump, new alternator, new fuel pump, and a rebuilt starter. The car also has a 9-inch rear differential, new weather stripping, and a NOS, new old stock, instrument cluster still in its original box. The interior and carpet are in excellent condition, though the rear window trim needs to be installed. The tires are old but still have good tread. Overall, this car just needs buffing and polishing to restore its shine. Several extra parts are included, such as a hood, front bumper, bench seat, side glass, and side mirrors. Number 13. The 1971 Dodge Dart, priced at $7,000 and located in Apache Junction, Arizona, is running and drivable with its original 318 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The engine has been modified with a mild camshaft, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock CFV 654 barrel carburetor, and long-tube Hedman headers, which are routed through straight pipes with Flowmaster mufflers. Several new parts have been installed, including a new fuel tank, rebuilt carburetor, new air filter, and fresh oil change. The ignition system has been updated, featuring a new distributor cap, rotor, and new spark plugs and wires. The car sits on new Kerr SS wheels with BFG radial TA tires. From an exterior standpoint, the car has great potential as a restoration project or a classic muscle car with a unique character. Number 14. The 1969 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle, priced at $5,500 and located in Dayton, Tennessee, was purchased as a project, but it turned out to be too much work for the owner. Overall, it needs extensive restoration due to severe rust in multiple areas. The trunk floor and rear window area are heavily rusted with large holes, indicating serious structural damage. The interior is in poor condition with torn seats, heavy wear, and a dashboard that shows signs of material degradation. The original numbers matching 307 engine is still present, and the car starts and drives, but it requires major repairs before it can be roadworthy. The exterior maintains its classic 1969 Chevelle look, but needs a lot of work. The car has had only one owner since new, originally from Alabama, and it was last on the road in 1986. Number 15. The 1962 Ford Galaxie 500, priced at $1,350 and located in Fort Stewart, Georgia, is equipped with a 282 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. It is a classic project car that can be started but not driven due to a coolant leak that has not been diagnosed yet. Mechanically, several repairs and upgrades have been made, including an MSD6AL2 ignition system, MSD coil, 12.5mm spiral core spark plug wires, rebuilt carburetor, new intake gasket, new exhaust manifold gaskets, new thermostat, and new fuel lines with a new filter. Additionally, the oil has been changed, and new rear tires have been installed. There are still several issues to address, including the exhaust system after the manifold, headlight switch, battery, a cracked left windshield, a passenger side window that needs a new roller, and a missing trunk lock mechanism. Most of the original trim is still available, but the clips need to be replaced before reinstalling them. The car does not have a title, but it can still be registered in Georgia, and it currently has active license plates.